Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take off your battery terminal. That's a 10 millimeter. These are your 4 cylinders. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove the coil pack from the particular cylinder. Do this guy right here. Remove the bolt, 10 millimeter. Pull the coil pack all the way out. And you can leave it on the harness right there. Take your spark plug socket, pop it down in the cylinder, break it free lightly, and bring her all the way out. And you're going to do this for all of these other 3 cylinders right here, right here, right here. I'm going to do that now, and once that's done, we'll go into installing the new spark plugs. I believe these are 044. So there's 22 and a 21. That's better. Magnetic, don't drop it in there. Just put it in there lightly. Oh, before we do this, anti-seize lubricant. You don't need too much, and you definitely don't want to get it on the tip of the plug. Keep it away from there. Keep it on the back half of the threads. You definitely don't want to strip out your block for these things, so that's why we use it. Lightly start threading it in. We definitely don't want to cross thread these. We definitely don't need to send it with these just snug. Boot here really quick. Looks good. We'll keep going here. If you don't use anti-seize, the next time you go to change your spark plugs, I mean, they see so much heat, you could strip out the threads, or damage the block, trying to get it out, cracking it. Definitely a bad day, so do your best to always use anti-seize. Get your 10 millimeter bat. And again, these aren't going in anything super tight because they're just plastic. One. I'm just trying not to be too rough with the wires coming into each coil pack here. Same 10 millimeter, put your battery back on. That's that.